Spain has just lived through its deadliest 24 hours since the coronavirus pandemic hit the country. Health authorities announced that 769 people had passed away, with a total number of cases rocketing to nearly 60,000. There are now almost 5,000 deaths in Spain, with medical staff and infrastructure now stretched to breaking point. For more analysis on the situation, we can cross over to France 24's Sarah Morris, who is in Madrid. Sarah, thank you so much for joining us here in the France 24 newsroom. It's been a black day for Spain. You're obviously boots on the ground there. Do you also get the feeling that Spanish authorities are struggling to cope?
Indeed, because these latest figures are the single highest death toll in a day. 769 extra people died in the past 24 hours, and that compared to 655 yesterday, which was a slight dip. This comes as a particular blow because the Spaniards have discovered that the government bought a series of faulty tests from a Chinese company. Basically, the tests were supposed to be super quick tests that could tell whether somebody had the virus within 15 minutes, and they were all designed to help detect whether health workers, for instance, should stop working and were at risk. The government had initially said it bought 9,000 of those tests, and today it was revealed that 50,000 of those tests were bought from a supplier that the Chinese government then revealed was not on its authorised list of suppliers. The Spanish government has defended itself, saying that those tests were bought from a Spanish company that obtained them from that Chinese supplier, and the government has been saying just how difficult it is to get hold of protective equipment, super testing at a time like this. They said that there is a genuine war with different countries trying to obtain that vital equipment, but nevertheless a deep blow as these figures rise. What we have heard from Fernando Simon, who's in charge of this health emergency, is he said that although the number has risen of deaths, he says that the percentage increase is virtually the same as over the last few days. He says there is signs of stabilisation, and the health authorities still expect a peak in the figures next week.
Sarah Morris, live from Madrid. Thank you very much for that update, and please do stay safe.